What's up, guys? I'm Carter with Bet Metal Off-Road. I'm here with Colton, and today we're going to be doing a quick install video on these 2-inch seat risers. So these seat risers will work on the Polaris RZR Pro R, the Polaris RZR Turbo R, and the Polaris RZR Pro XP models. It's also important to note that these seat risers will only work on adjustable seats. So on this 2-seat model, you can install these on the driver's side only, but on a 4-seat model, you can install them on the driver's side and passenger side. It's a real simple install. It'll only take a few minutes. We'll show you how to do it.
So first step, you'll have to slide your seat all the way forward and remove it. Next, you'll have to remove these 8 10mm nuts to take this seat base off the adjustable rail. Then remove the seat base off of the adjustable rails. Also remove these 2 clamps off the back studs. Then slide your seat risers onto the studs. And tighten them down reusing those 8 10mm nuts. Then using a 5/32 Allen wrench, remove these 8 Allen head bolts out of the top of the seat risers. Then reinstall your seat base on the top of the seat riser. Make sure to put your clamps between the seat riser and the seat base. Then tighten it down using those 8 Allen head bolts. Once they're all started loosely, you can go through and tighten them all. Then reinstall your seat. Slide it back to wherever you like, and you're all set.
So if you guys have any other questions about these seat risers, feel free to give us a call or send an email. If you're ready to place an order or you want to check out any of our other products that we offer, go to betmetaloffroad.com. Thanks for watching.